Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will discuss on what is hammer candle, where we need to enter, and which candle or which location we should avoid. This is how looks like hammer candle. You can follow this in any time frame, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or any time frame which you would like to, because the candle patterns are same in all the time frame. So when the hammer candle occurs on the chart, when the price is opening over here, then selling pressure make it new fresh low, and from here there's a fresh buying enters, and that make it the new high for that day time frame of that candle. And it may be possible there is a high and then a bit lower than the high it close, and there you will see over here on the wicks, then the close over here. The ideal is when there is a high and close are the same price, and color doesn't matter on this one. Only the matter thing is that where it is created, and this hammer candle is considered as a reversal pattern for the chart. And sometimes you will see there is a little to no shadow on this, right? On the top, if there is a high and then close a bit lower, you will see over here on the both side there is a wick, and the lower side this is considered as a shadow. At this point you will see a buyer active, then only it can create like this hammer candle. Now we'll move to the chart and understand how looks like, because most of the time we have seen what we have read on the books, and when we see on the chart is a bit different. So let's go and see that. So this is the chart. I have identified few hammer candle to understand. So this is the first box which I have created over here. So when you can see over here, last time there was a consolidation, and then price was move up, then again fall back. So when it fall back, you can see over here, this is last time the support. All right, so it near to the support it have this hammer candle. So here you can see the price when open, it's around 2052, make it low 2045, and then from that level the fresh buyer enters and make it high of 2056, then close at 2054. So this is the one ideal candle where we can see near to support. For now we need to understand that where we can enter. So you need to always like put the one trend line on top of that hammer candle. So whenever it cross that level and sustain above that, you can enter with the stop loss of the lower level. I will show you the another example also, that you can see over here. This is also near to the support, and then the ideal one I would like to show you at this place. So here after the gap down, the prices fall to here, 2 or 3 candle was consolidate, then again price move up. After the consolidation, again the price was fallen back to the same area where last time it was taken support. Now you can see over here this candle, it's a red color. Last we have seen is green color, but that's I said color doesn't matter. So in this candle the price opened 1915 at the open equal to high. From that level the selling pressure was continue, made the new low 1903, and then it closed at 1910. That's how it create the hammer candle. So what we do is we need to confirm yes it's near to the support, and now we need to wait for only the confirmation. At this candle you can get this confirmation, there you can enter with the stop loss, and then you will see a good move. Only the things that you need to notice consider here as a note, that we never enter if there is any hammer candle occurs between this trend. Means it can be, it always like we trade only when there is at the bottom. Between there is no confirmation, that and the winning rate is very low. If you look for at near to the support, then your winning rate will be 80%. Like here you can see it's between that, so we avoid this one. We always look for that when there is at the bottom. So friends, I hope you will like this explanation, and please you can subscribe my channel for the future video. Thank you. See you. Take care.